Yo, what's up, Molly Bwanj? Welcome back to yet another reaction. I've been meaning to react to this song because YouTube have been suggesting it to me so many times. Okay, so here we are. SANGIE, PIKSY and SANGIE acoustic set. Let's see what they say. This happened 5 years ago, so you know it's organic. This is before AI. Oh my goodness, we are ruined as people. So it's going to be real stuff, okay? So if you're here for the first time, Tswana.
So this is one of the projects.
So if you're here for the first time, hit the subscribe button,
coming from us.
So you don't miss any of the uploads of this channel. Okay? So
Project.
did they ever do any more projects?
There's more to come.
So I hope you enjoy this. Thank you so much for joining us.
This was during the pandemic, maybe? Lockdown?
SANGIE.
Yes.
Jabadija.
I'm thinking Revelations.
Yeah, for real.
Yeah. Aina mago sinangaso ya mbagale.
Revelation.
Yes.
Amayangula zonya zita. Amayangula moya luka. Amayangula ngati andu osalengedwa. Chipongwe nkamwa mwaomo kutumbwa wagwa oko amweretsa pagulu ngati tonse ndanawo. Bwanji maiwala moyo ndi umodzi lelo ndine mawa ndiwe.
Wow, I mean, she's saying some things that I think I understand there. I only understand this part. Let's see.
Amweretsa pagulu ngati tonse ndanawo. Bwanji maiwala moyo ndi umodzi lelo ndine mawa ndiwe. Sikuzabwera chimvula chopya chankokolola.
Okay, I don't understand much. I thought I understood, but I understood that there was a part she said, today is me, and tomorrow, today is you, tomorrow is me, or vice versa. Lero ndine mawa, lero ndiwe mawandine. She says something like that, which is what I said.
Kudzabwera chimoto moto opyeresa. Kudzabwera chimoto moto onyegetsa. Sikudzabwera chimvula chopya chankokolola. Sikudzabwera chimpepo chongosasula. Kudzabwera chimoto moto opyeresa. Kudzabwera chimoto
this is beautiful, man.
onyegetsa. Yeah.
Big out of the guitarist is like, hey, let that guitar sing.
Sikudzabwera chimvula chopya chankokolola. Sikudzabwera chimpepo chongosasula. Kudzabwera chimoto moto opyeresa. Kudzabwera chimoto moto onyegetsa. Sikudzabwera chimvula chopya chankokolola. Sikudzabwera chimpepo
just the keyboard and the guitar and everything just sounds so cool. The vocals, everything. Much respect, man.
Kudzabwera chimoto zopyeresa kudzabwera chimoto moto onyegetsa.
Yeah, that was a beautiful one. SANGIE and PIKSY, biggest artists out there in Malawi, right? I haven't reacted to their songs in a minute, so thank you, YouTube, for suggesting this. Yeah. I hate that I'm busy because I could be doing a lot of reactions, and I am so sorry, you guys. I'm life, eh? But that was a good one. I'm surprised that nobody suggested that one yet. 5 years ago. I've been doing this for 5 years, I think. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Like I said, if you're here for the first time, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too, so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel. And then please go check out SANGIE's YouTube page. She has the best songs. If not, you can watch more of my reactions here when I reacted to more of her songs, and I will be reacting to more of SANGIE's songs again. It's been a minute.